So they're a wonderful group of students. They're coming from all around the world, and they're incredibly motivated and driven to, they self-selected to be here. So that's always wonderful to teach and work with a group where everybody wants to be there and they want to put their best selves in.
Kyoto is one of these cities that's probably really unique in the whole world. It has a really strong concentration of really highly skilled craftspeople that goes back for generations.
So I think the most important takeaway is that everybody is original.
Just do it. If you have any ideas, if you want to change, world.
One of the most important skills for an entrepreneur is adaptability.
We are really counting on startups to create products very fast, very innovative, very surprising. The world is going to say, wow.